What's up guys, Stephanie here from Two Girls One Cut, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to remove a background in Paint.net. Alright everyone, Paint.net is a free program that's super easy to use, and you can find the link to that in the tutorial for this video. Remember, below our video in the description there's going to be a link to the Two Girls One Cut reference document, and if you go to the Applications and Programs tab, then click on Paint.net tutorials. You can click on the Removing a Background with Paint.net tutorial. You're going to be able to get the download link to the free program there, as well as a step-by-step guided instruction tutorial on how to do this. So what you want to do is upload your image or open your image in Paint.net, and when you're in here, we see we've got a simple logo here that I'm working on with a plain background. If you can get a plain background, that's going to be the easiest, because all you need to do is click over here on the wand tool. The wand tool is going to let you click anywhere inside that color, and anywhere that a color has a continuous border, everything that matches that color is going to be selected. You can then hit the delete key and it is going to remove that background. So we can see here that this background has been removed. The whole purpose here is we're going to be able to save this as a PNG, so it's great for making watermarks or uploading as a cut file into Cricut Design Space or other programs that'll convert it into an SVG. You'll notice here though that in between the O's and some of these other letters that touch, the original white border did not touch that, so it didn't remove that out. So we want to zoom in. The fastest way to zoom in is hit Control and roll forward on your scroll wheel on your mouse, but otherwise you can come down here to the bottom right and use the plus and minus. Now we can use this little magic wand tool to highlight and delete out these other sections. Alright, you'll notice here that inside of the E, there really isn't any white for me to grab, but there is a lighter color blue. We can go ahead and click in there, but when you click, it pretty much picks up everything that has a similar shade. So I'm not going to want to use the wand tool here if I want to get any cutouts for this E. The best tool for this is the eraser. So if you have a very busy background or image sections that you can't get out using that magic wand, the eraser tool is going to be your friend, but you'll notice that the eraser tool is pretty big compared to how much I want to take out here. So if you come up here to the top, we can see brush width, and 1 is the smallest you can go. So it's not very easy sometimes to do these smaller spaces, but I really just want to get a little bit of an open E here because this is going to be used for one of my clients' watermarks. So we're just going to go ahead and pass over this a few times to try and open up a little space. If we really zoom in here, you can see this lighter color blue, little pixels. So we just want to get as many of those out as possible. So then when we zoom back out, now we can see that that E kind of has an opening. All right, we have a similar situation going on between the R and the T. I'm going to first try the lasso, and you'll see that that picks up most of that white color, so we're going to go ahead and delete that out. If you wanted to, you could clean up in between the R's and the H's, but for this project, those are pretty small. I just really want to focus on getting those E's cleaned up a little bit. All right, we're just going to do one more pass, make sure everything looks nice and clean. We might want to do a little bit of work on the S, but I'm not sure if the eraser's, oh, yep, looks like we can get a few passes in here. Sometimes the eraser doesn't quite get small enough. All right, there we have it, our cleaned up logo. Now, in order to be able to save this as a watermark so that it has no background, anywhere you see this checkerboard is not going to have a background, we're going to go to File, Save. We're going to hit Save As, and make sure you choose the PNG option. So I'm going to change the file name here to PNG to distinguish it from the JPEG that I imported it as. And then you're going to flatten it. All right, and now you can share this image with your clients so that they can use it as a watermark. You can use your own watermarks, and you can also upload these into Cricut as SVGs, but keep in mind it cannot distinguish between the two colors, so you would maybe probably want to do like a cut to print and then cut kind of situation. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, as that really helps support the channel so we can continue to bring you free tutorials. Please be sure to share this video with any of your friends interested in learning how to use the programs, and we hope to see you next time.